Good morning, Talmadge staff. It is about 9:30 and some change, so just a hair late. We are in the next chapter with the John Gordon book, The Shark and the Goldfish. So in this chapter, it's called, the title is Thrive Because of Change. So Gordy now has a positive attitude, and so he's able to get, and Gordy is the goldfish, by the way, he's getting food now at this point. But he goes to see the shark, which is Sammy, the next day. And so he tells Sammy that he can find even more food, he thinks. He's just getting enough to get by, which is okay. And Sammy said, "You're not doing anything wrong." He said, "But you're thinking like a shark, but you're not acting like a shark." So in this chapter, Sammy tells him 3 things in order to act like a shark and just not think like a shark. So the 3 things that he tells him is, 1, there's no substitute for hard work. He had asked Gordy how long did he search for food yesterday, and the goldfish said about half a day. And he watched Sammy. They were together the whole day, and Sammy went nonstop, fast as can be, and he went the whole day in search of food. So basically, Gordy realized that there's no substitute for hard work, and you're gonna have to work hard in order to get it done. The second thing was, so hard work was number 1, and focus. And basically, Sammy tells Gordy that focus can be something that you can learn and apply. So it's not just something you were born with, just because you're organized and you're able to focus, but it's something that can be learned and applied. It's a skill. You have to practice it and commit to it. So instead of wandering around the ocean, Gordy needed to have a plan. What food he wanted, where did he want to find it at, and he needed to get better at finding it. So that focus is coming up with a plan. And then the third thing that Sammy in this chapter tells Gordy, the goldfish, is not to settle. So you can't be satisfied by merely surviving. You have to work hard. So you have to have that positive attitude. You have to have that hard work. You have to focus, and then you have to not settle. So after those 3 things, Gordy starts living that lifestyle in the ocean, and so he's getting fed extremely well the whole time in the ocean. He's doing everything on his own. He's independent. Some of the other goldfish are seeing how well, not just goldfish, all the fish in the ocean are seeing how he's doing. And Gordy realizes that even though Sammy taught him everything he knew, that over the next few months, Gordy became so skilled that he realized that there was other fish like him that did not have the skills like he had, and he realized that he was becoming more stronger and wiser from this, and he was appreciative of the food that he was catching. He wanted to then help others the way that Sammy helped him. So he thought if he could change, he knew that others could change too. So they needed to be informed. They needed to be empowered and inspired the way that he was. So with Sammy's support and encouragement, Gordy decides that he's going to do a shark school for goldfish. So he's going to lead, and he thought that was the least that he could do, since he developed this skill and this mindset. So the next chapter will be a shark school for goldfish. So I know teachers, you guys are working hard. Make sure that you guys are showing the RRS. Be respectful, be responsible, and be safe. And you guys are Gales every day. Have a great day.